You have a dog digging in a hole, digging up my soul, digging on an excavation. Dig, Kobe. You got a mole in a hole that you're digging up? Doggy? Doggy dog dog. You're wrapping yourself up in that. Fascinates me. Elevate me. What brings joy in your life, guys? I have things that I choose, right? Because I look for them. I realized this year that, in the last year, I realized that you can find joy in anything, in everything. You just gotta look for it, and you gotta choose it, right? Simple, but not easy. My friends, that it's a practice, you definitely get better at it. It starts to become habitual. And it's easy when you have things like this in your life. Ah! Hi, Cobes. Say hi to the people out there. Kobe, can you say, ow? Or not? Kobe. What's in there, Kobe? Some more grass? I gotta take a snack break here, folks. Sorry, y'all. To be continued. This park has thousands of holes, unfortunately. Groundhogs have overtaken it. Or moles. Cobsters. You know we have to put the dirt back in there, right? I'll give you another bath. Is that even healthy for them, y'all? I'll have to look it up. He likes the juicy juice, like wheatgrass. That like dog's version of wheatgrass. The pea grass. No. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.